Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Curtis Brown Jr. coming at you at Downley Ford of Shelby with a brand new 2023 Ford XLT Explorer. Let's open the door here and take a few look at the features. As you can see, you've got the leather interior, super nice, easy to clean, easy to maintain. It's got heated seats, heated steering wheel. And if you come back here, take a look. This thing's got the panoramic sunroof, and as you would expect, it has third row seating with a power liftgate. Push the button twice, it opens right up, and then you can see all the room and all the space with the third row. Push one button right here and she'll shut right up. So if you have any extra questions or any concerns, give me a call at 419-347-4100, extension 4014.